Okay, this is how we're rolling now. No more trailer batteries. I've got my Bluetti AC200 Max hooked up. It's going to be recharged with my Renogy 200-watt solar panel. This is my 12-volt system right now I have hooked up via this extension cable, which goes out and down through my port here. Underneath, I got a couple bus bars. I hooked up my trailer batteries right here from the front, just pulled them back here and hooked it up to the bus bar, then up to there. And then the 110, I just bought a 10 gauge extension cable on Amazon to my shore power. The 110 is only going to be used for like the microwave or the hair dryer. Don't use that very much. Right now I just have the fridge on with the kitchen lights, and so that's pulling only 20 watts right now. When I turn on the AC power, it converts over and it pulls 105, 106 at the most right now. So obviously the conversion for the inverter takes quite a bit. So I will just run the 12-volt system most of the time, just for the fridge and the water pump. Much bigger battery. This should last a couple days without having to recharge it.